Hello students, today I am going to start a new chapter, that is exponent. Okay, and exponent basically it is a new thing for you students. Okay, exponent is representation of a repeated multiplication in form of a base and a power. Okay, so see this one, exponent is a repeated multiplication of a same number, and if it is written in form of a power and base, then it is known as a exponent. Suppose if I take this a is multiplied by a, means a is multiplied by a 2 times, same number is multiplied, then you will write a as a base, and then it is multiplied 2 times, you will write in form of a 2. Okay, and suppose same number a into a into a, if it is multiplied by 3 times, you will write a to the power 3. Suppose a number 3 is multiplied by 4 times. So then 3 is a base, and then if it is multiplied 4 times, 4 is a power. Okay, so it is known as a, this is known as a index, and this one is known as a base. A is a base and 2 is a index, are said to be a power, and this representation of a multiplication is known as an exponential representation of a number, and it is called a exponent students. Okay, when a number is repeated multiplied by itself is known as an exponent, and if it is written in form of this is known as an exponential representation of a number, and then first one is known as a base, and then power is known as an index. It is known as a power also, and it is known as an index. And how you will read it? A to the power 2, a to the power 3, 3 to the power 4 students. So what is the base of this one? Base is equal to 3, base is equal to 3, and the index is equal to 4. It means that 3 is multiplied by 4 times, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 students. Okay, suppose if it is written that 2 to the power 5, 2 is a base and 5 is a index. So 2 is multiplied 5 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is multiplied 5 times. What you will get students? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So this is your answer, and this representation is known as an exponential representation of a number. Okay, so now some important point related to this exponent students. Okay, see this points. Okay, well, important points. See this one instance. Nodes. First one, when a base is negative and power is odd. When base is negative and its index is odd, then you always get a negative number. Suppose first case is if base is a negative. Suppose if I take this minus a and its power is a 3. 3 is an odd number. Okay, if base is negative and power is odd, then you will get a negative value. You always get a negative value. I will show you this one. Minus 2 to the power 3. 3 is an odd number, so minus 2 is multiplied 3 times. So minus is multiplied into minus, plus, and plus is multiplied into minus, you always get minus. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So your answer is negative, okay, and it is minus 8. So if your base is negative and power is odd, you always get a negative value. Okay. Now second point is, if your base is negative, suppose minus 3, and its power is even number, then you always get a positive value. I will show you this one. Suppose 2 minus 2 and its power is 2. 2 is an even number, so minus 2 is multiplied by 2 times. Minus 2 into minus 2. So minus is multiplied into minus, you will get plus, and 2 to the 4. So if you write plus 4, or you will simply write 4. It means that if your base is negative and power is then you always get a positive value students. So this thing very important thing. Okay, if your base is negative and power is odd, then you always get a negative value, and if your base is negative and power is even, then you always get a positive value students. Now third point, okay, third point is students, if your base is any number, no problem. If its power or index is 1, then you always get the same number. Suppose if A has a power 1, then you always get number itself. Okay, I will show you. This one is 2 to the power 1, you always get 2. 4 to the power 1, you always get 4. If base is any number and its power is 1, then you always get the same number. Okay, same number. If any number its power is 1, you always get the same number. Okay. Now fourth one is, if any number has a power 0. Fourth one is, if any number has a power 0, then you always get 1. Okay. Suppose A to the power 0, then you always get 1. Same thing for 10 have a power 0, you always get 1. 4 to the power 0, then you always get the value 1. So if any number, its index or power is 1, power is 0, then you always get 1. Okay students, now some important points. This is the squares and cubes. The next point is your squares and cubes, and it is very important and easy property. Squares, if any number has a power 2, then a number raised to the power 2 is called square. A number raised to the power 2 is called square. It is very easy. A number raised to the power 2 is called square. Square is, okay, square of the number. Suppose for example, A is multiplied by A, and if it is written A to the power 2, then it is known as a square of A. Okay, or you can write that square of 2. Square of 2, it means that 2 is multiplied by 2 and its power is 2 to the power 2. Square of 3 is multiplied by 3 and 3 to the power 2. So square of 2 is 4 and square of 3 is 9. 3 is multiplied by 3. Same as it is square of 4. 4 is multiplied by 4. 4 to the power 2, and that is 16 students. So a number raised to the power 2 is called square of a number. Square of a number. Same as it is cube. See this one, squares. A number raised to the power 2 is called squares of a number, and you will write like that. And same as it is, a number raised to the power 3 is known as a cubes. A number raised to the power 3 is known as a cube of a number. Okay. So see this one. After that, cubes. Okay. Cube. A number raised to the power 3 is called cubes of a number. Okay, it's called a cube of a number. A is multiplied by A is multiplied by A 3 times, and if its power is 3, a to the power 3. So it is known as a cube of a number. Okay students, so cube of a 2 is multiplied by 3 times. Okay, so you will get 2 to the power 3 and its value is 8. So cube of a 2 is 8. Cube of a 3 is multiplied into 3 times. So you will get 3 to the power 3, and that is 3 3 9 9 3 is 27. 7 students, and so on. So you can do any number, you can find the power of square of any number and cube of any number. So your homework is that students, find the squares and cubes of numbers 1 to 14. So you can find the cube, square and cubes of numbers 1 to 14. So from 1 to 14 you can find the squares number as well as the cubes of also. Okay. So it is very important, and learn that one students also. And one important point, square do not have 2, 3, 7 or 8 in a unit place. In squares you will not get that 2, 3, 7 in squares method. Squares in the unit place you will not get 2, 3, 7 or 8 in the unit place. 2, 3, 7 or 8 you will not get that in a unit. You can find that, and you see that in the unit place you will not get 2, 3, 7 or 8. If you are finding that one, suppose if you are finding the square of 25, if you square this one, 25 is multiplied by 25, you will get this 625. So in unit place 2, 3, 7 or 8, no one is that 2, 3, 7 or 8. In that numbers nothing is there, it is a 5. So you can find that squares, you will not get that 2, 3, 7 or 8 any of these 4 numbers in a unit place. Now same as it is. Okay. Now some exception also is there, like a 3 square is 9, 13 square is 9, it means 169, and 23 squares is also in the unit place you will get 9. Okay, so it is true for some questions. If you are squaring 3 squares you will get 9, 23 squares in place of this one, you multiply 23 into 23, 3 3s are 9, means in the unit place you will get 9 students. 529. So some questions that in the unit place you always get that 9 like 3, 23 and 13 also there students. Okay, so this is the points which is given in your book. From there you will write it in your copy. Now laws of exponents. Laws of exponents, and it is very important students. So I will discuss this thing in the next video. Okay students, till then thank you students.